Hi everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. I am working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas and I'm going to go ahead and put my paint down and I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with Phato Green, and that's by Resin. Now I thought I'd do something a little different today. Let's see how this is going to work out. Start here and here. I'm not sure guys, I've got something in my head. See if it's going to work out. You might have seen a couple of changes on my channel, and one of them being my channel is no longer with Bade Art, it's Bade Art. Email address still stays the same. So here we go, adding some lemon yellow, and that is also Resin. All my paints are mixed. 1 part paint, 2 parts of Floetrol and some water, and I will put it in the description. Right, let's give this a blow. I love that. I'm just going to add a little bit more paint on this side just to even it out. Yeah, that's looking rather pretty. You might be thinking, what is she up to now? Okay, and now I might just add a bit more here in the center. Let's see. Isn't it strange when something's in your head? Right, I might go in with some more of this green. Now guys, I know that here in New Zealand or in the southern hemisphere we are going into spring, and you know, the rest of the northern hemisphere are going into autumn. So I am doing autumn today. Yeah, this yellow is absolutely beautiful. And then I have some more of the Phato Green, but to this I actually added, because it's what I've used in a previous pour, I added a little bit of white to tone it. So just going in with a bit of that and a little bit of, this is Deco Art copper. Put some copper there. The copper does tend to take over a little bit. And then here I have antique white, which I absolutely love. So we'll put quite a bit of that in there. And then I wasn't too sure whether I'm going in with the red first or the orange, but I'll go in with the red. And then this is Vermilion Orange. Now this orange is actually pretty powerful stuff, so I don't want it to take over. I'm going to give that a torch. I don't have any silicone in my paint, guys. Right, let me do this. Right, not 100% what was in my head, but I think I might just give it a little bit of a blow in. Let me torch it first. There's a lot of cells. Okay, I'm going to blow in here. I just want to make this a bit more pronounced. Right, now I'm going to turn it around because I want to blow in there. Right, so I'm just going to torch the inside here and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Alright guys, so this would be it with the light off. I love, love, love all of these cells, and hopefully if I can get away from the studio light, you'll see all of the lacing in there. It's very pretty. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Does it look like spring or does it look like autumn? All that lacing over there as well. Well guys, if you're interested in any of my artwork, you can contact me on withbade@gmail.com. My email address has still stayed the same. And I hope you've enjoyed this one. Just something that was kind of in my head. I'm loving all those colourful cells that have popped up in the centre there as well. See if I can get a better view of all that lacing there. Alright, again, thanks guys for watching, and thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.